Hi everyone, thank you so much for clicking. My name is TammyKikoy and welcome back to my channel. Yay! Today we'll be reacting to KZ Tandingan's performance in I Am Singer 2018 episode 8. And I'm so excited to do this, and without any further ado, let's go and watch the video.
Sometimes I have a big mouth when you say something that I don't like. I get it. We've been driving this road for a mighty long time, paying no mind to the signs. Well, this neighborhood's changed, it's all been rearranged. We left the change somewhere behind. Let's go, slow down.
Wow! She's hitting the note. Yeah. Wow!
You can say what you want, but you can say it out here. 'Cause I catch you, give you a whipping. Well, I believe it was right when you said you were wrong. You didn't like the sound. Slow down.
Look at that. This time she did rock with rap with an upbeat song, Real Gone. This is the first time I actually heard the song rather, and it was good. She set the mood in the audience, and everyone is driving crazy and dancing, and everyone really liked the song and the performance. There's a lot of people on the stage, and you can see that KZ is so happy and she is so comfortable with what she's doing. That is a wonderful performance, great performance, and I am really proud of you, KZ. I hope you'll win this time. You'll win again this time. Okay? Thank you so much for watching, guys. Anyways, this is TammyKikoy, and if you have any more videos of KZ Tandingan you want me to react, and I'm waiting for episode 9 of I Am Seeing Her with her performance, and every performance she will be doing, I'll be reacting on it. And if you're not yet part of the family, please click the subscribe button and the bell button for you to be notified every time I upload new videos. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give me a massive thumbs up. Okay? Bye for now. Real Gone.